Schedule it up, baby. Let's go. Twitch now has an ads manager. And I say I added the quotations because it's not so much of a ads manager as much as it's an ad scheduler. An ads manager would be about allowing you to have control over what the ads actually do or the content of the ads that are on your channel. An ad scheduler allows you to schedule ads, and that's what this is. And so I think that it's disingenuous in how they're actually positioning this, and I would hope that, at the very least, this is just the start and not actually the end product for Ads Manager, and there is actual ads management implementation or opportunities within it that give people actual control here. Set and forget your ad schedule. They even say schedule with Ads Manager. With this optional tool, you can focus on what matters most creating. Schedule by ad frequency and length, snooze, first ad delay. So let's watch the little hype up promotional video, guys. Let's get excited, guys. Can we get some claps in the chat? Look at these people are having so much fun. Look, they don't even have to run their ads anymore. Look how much fun they're having, guys. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? The ads just run themselves. Oh, it's the funnest thing I've had to do since cutting bread. Oh, what a good time. Look, lol. Everybody loves it, lol. It's funny. Then do your thing. Woo! Right, here we go. Oh, it's also got a snooze button. So easy. So handy. Show those ads who's boss. Show those ads. Show Mikey Minty. Say, Mikey Minty, you want me to run pre-roll ads? Absolutely not. I will not run pre-roll ads. Mikey Minty, you want me to run just random scheduled ads in the middle of my streams? Absolutely I will, because I love that. I love not having control and just letting the system do itself. Schedule it up, baby. Let's go. Take control of ads so you can get back to streaming. Shut the up. What disingenuous bullshit. Ooh, I hate it. Ooh, I hate it so much. Ooh, I hate it so much. This was the only honest point in this ad, by the way. Ad starts soon. Stream's gonna be f***ed up. Oh shit. The only honest point in this video. Damn it. An ad's gonna run. I'm in the middle. I'm doing something cool and fun right now. Damn it. Oh. Pre-roll. Shit. You know what? Snooze button. My automated pre-roll ad that I don't even need to be running, that you didn't even need to be running, is now not going to run. Start the music up, get the party going, drink your drink. Cheers, everybody. Oh, disingenuous bullshit. So let's take a look at what Ads Manager does. I took too much of a shot there, guys. The party music got me hopped up on alcohol because I'm so excited we were celebrating ads. Ooh, what a fun time. Everybody loves ads. All my homies love ads. We're going to run a minute every 8 minutes. The ad length is going to be 3 minutes long. And the first ad delay is going to be 1 minute. Yeah, give me a warning. Actually, don't give me a warning. I don't care. Activate the schedule to start running. Yeah, start it. Yeah. Add Ads Manager, create a dashboard, save an ad. Now, every 8 minutes on stream, you're going to get 3 minutes of ads. Every 8 minutes, you get 3 minutes. That means you get, I guess you get 5 minutes of content in between each ad break. We should actually run a 3-minute ad right now just to get it started. Running 3 minutes manually will remove the upcoming auto ad. Yeah. There we go. Got it started. Quality stream about to go. Exactly. We're going to the moon, baby. If I have turbo, do I skip ads? Yeah, you don't see ads. If you have a turbo or you have a sub, you don't see ads unless I decide to turn those ads on. You get 5 minutes of quality content now. 5 minutes of quality content, and then it's right back. I'll leave the countdown timer on the screen so that everybody can see when the next ad is coming. Yep, 12 seconds, guys. Here it comes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy ad! Guys, it's happening.
Oh my god, what the hell? What's going on?
Wait, oh my gosh.
Cole, are you serious right now?
What?
You're invited to the Twitch Partner Program.
I just got partnered.
We got partner, boys.
What? Coke Gaming.
Thank you, Coke Zero Gaming. I'm just running 30 minutes of ads to start my stream and telling my viewers to show up 30 minutes late and never having pre-rolls. So you don't actually get that much level of control. You have to, so the green parts here are ad segments. Realistically, if you wanted to disable pre-rolls, you would want to do every 30 minutes for 90 seconds. That's the realistic setting that you would create. So you're going to get 3 minutes of ads per hour, ensuring that you have no pre-rolls on, but then those ads are automatic. By the way, that's the whole thing. That's why I say that this is ads scheduler. It is not an ads manager. It is an ads scheduler. And them trying to sell us with this hype video is a bunch of bullshit. Bunch of bullshit.
24 hours later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have ad numbers from yesterday. We have ad numbers from yesterday. Guys, wait. Hold on. Guys, we have ad numbers from yesterday. Find a different player for this. We have ad numbers from yesterday. What do you guys think it is? What do you guys think it is? How much do you think we made yesterday in ads? Ad time per hour. We ran 8 minutes and 52 seconds of ads per hour. 9 minutes total of ads per hour. So 18 minutes of ads. And we had 66 average people watching. 9 divided by 60. 15% of my content being ads. 15% of my of my content being ads. Hi, Johan. The real question is how many subscribed to avoid the ads? 39. 39 did. So at least half of those viewers were, more than half of those viewers were subscribed. Here it is. $6.41 in paid subs. $82.56 in gifted subs. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click like, click subscribe up there, and then watch this video. What else you gotta do? You're on YouTube anyways, you might as well watch something else. It's right there.